just check my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah, cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah, everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy the Crazy. You know what it is. I'm back again with another reaction. This is to XG performing Rock the Boat on SBS K-pop / Inkigayo. Let's get it. Let's go. I've been looking forward for this.
Hey boy, I like the way you talk. I like the way you speed down me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear that ringtone. I'm liking everything, but it's not enough. Say boy, what if I wanna ride? What if I'm in the mood and I need you right now?
Hey.
You with your crew and I needed you to bounce. Feel like you should kick it on another night.
Ooh, I love that. The kick it. He kicks to the beat.
Normally I never get this crazy. My reality is all you lately. All I'm really trying to say right now.
Okay, coconut.
Boy, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat.
Ooh, jeez.
Boy, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Got me off the beat like shaking up the streamline. Rock the boat, knocked me off that way. Boy, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea.
Nice, Julian.
The boat knocked me off that way. Boy, you came in hot, the way you got me hot, you turn it up a notch. Boy, you came in hot, the way you got me hot, you turn it up a notch. Spit up a couple nuts, then I fit the drop. My heart wouldn't
Damn,
stop.
huh?
You got me sweating, Okinawa in the summertime. Who would've thought? Okay, we could take it two ways. Leo walked the meter, was singing on top of blue waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drink the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci, maybe it was bootleg. No, my mama would never let me.
Damn, Hinata.
No, my mama would never let me. Hypothetically, a man already. All I'm really trying to say right now.
Wow.
Boy, you came and rocked the ball, got me off the beat like shaking up the streamline. Rock the ball.
Yeah, this song's even better live. I love the choreo. I love the choreo for this song. What do you think? I really enjoy the choreo for this song. Like, I was curious. I was like, what are they gonna do for choreo? Because XG's been special with their choreo lately. They've been really killing it with their choreos, and I love seeing the choreos that they have for B-sides because 9 times out of 10, they're killer. They're like really strong choreos, and this is another one. It's very strong. It suits the time of music this would have came out by. Like if you look at the early 2000s, the late 90s, this song would fit perfectly into that time. And especially even with the choreo as well. Hey. My God.
Don't trip, boy, give me my space. Obsession was never my thing. Take your time, you should steady your pace. What am I saying? Boy, you came and rocked the ball, got me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat, knocked me off the way. Boy, you came and rocked the ball, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off the way. Boy, you came in.
Hey. Wow, these songs really show how much Hinata and Chisa and Julia have impressed in dancing. Improved, sorry, not impressed. Like, well, impressed as well, but like, they've improved a lot. And it's like small details, small technicalities that they do that I'm like, oh shit, like they stand out a lot. It's awesome. It's good to see. Nice. This song's one of my favorite songs off the album, and I am excited to see when they go back on tour how they're gonna perform this. That choreo is sick. I like how the choreo is fun. It's not too serious. It's them having fun and just doing what they want to do, which is awesome. I'm excited. Like I said, I'm excited to see the future for XG. They have a very bright future ahead of them, and yeah, I'm keen to see what's next for them for sure. But yeah, if y'all like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe, and remember, keep living the crazy life and stay blessed. Peace. Laters. Whoop.